Section 1. The million-dollar question. Is it really possible? How can one person make $1 million in 2025? Forget the old rules. Forget climbing the corporate ladder. Forget needing a massive team and a mountain of cash. The answer is right in front of you. It is simple. It is powerful. It is artificial intelligence combined with your own smart work. Today, I will break down how this is a practical reality. We will walk through the exact steps. We will look at real people doing it right now. You can copy their playbook. This is not about luck. It is about a fundamental shift. You can ride this massive wave. The game has changed. In the past, building a business required huge resources: marketing, sales, customer service, product development. You needed expensive software and long development cycles. Now, AI tools are unbelievably good, incredibly fast, shockingly cheap. As a single person, you can access a creative agency, a software development team, a market research department, all from your laptop. One person can do work that used to need 10 or 20 people. That leverage unlocks the path to $1 million business. Core idea: find a problem and solve it. The difference now is speed and scale. Identify a niche on Monday. Create a digital product with AI by Wednesday. Launch a targeted ad campaign by Friday. The barrier to entry has crumbled. You do not need to be a coder to build an app. You do not need to be a graphic designer to make stunning visuals. AI tools are your specialists, working 24/7 without salary. Your role: visionary. Your role: strategist. Your role: captain of your one-person ship. Start here. Change your mindset. Stop thinking limitations. Start thinking possibilities. Pick a small, defined market. A niche is your secret weapon. A niche equals a specific group with a very specific, painful problem. New dog owners, potty training help, local dentists, creating social media content. Small focused markets equal less competition. Become the go-to expert quickly. Win fast. Build momentum. Expand from a position of strength. Section 2. Real-world winners. 3 solopreneurs crushing it in 2025. Let us move from theory to reality. These are not made-up stories. Real people leveraging AI to build incredible solo businesses. First, meet Maya, the instant course creator. Years of leadership coaching, no time or tech to build a course. Using AI, she turned knowledge into profit in 2 weeks. AI outlined the curriculum and wrote scripts for 50 short lessons. 50 short video lessons. Another tool generated slides and visuals. A third platform edited, captioned, and made a trailer. She launched at $200. 200 sales in month 1. $40,000. Next, Sam, the one-man automated agency. High-quality daily posts for a flat fee. AI makes images, captions, hashtags, automation posts. 20 restaurants at $300 a month, 6,000 recurring. Then there is Lara, the niche digital product maker. She used AI to research and generate a large collection of checklists, proposal templates, contract guides, packaged as a $99 starter kit on a simple store. An AI chatbot handles most customer questions. This frees up her time entirely. After a year of steady effort, she makes $3,000 per month, nearly passive. What do Maya, Sam, and Lara have in common? It is not genius or a secret formula. It is simple, repeatable actions. First, a very specific problem for a very specific audience. Second, off-the-shelf AI tools anyone can learn in hours. Third, a clear, simple product or service. Fourth, automate repetitive work to focus on customers. Finally, reinvest into simple ads and tools to fuel growth. Section 3. The 5-step blueprint, your path to AI-powered profit. You have seen the proof, now the playbook. 5 practical steps. This is your blueprint. Just execute. Step 1. Find your niche. Become a big fish in a small pond. Visit Reddit, Facebook groups, and industry communities. Listen to complaints, struggles, and wishes. Spot repetitive tasks they hate. Your idea lives in their problem. Write down 10 niches and problems. Step 2. Build a simple product. Your MVP. It needs to work, not be perfect. 10 templates, 30-page ebook, 1-hour workshop, or 30 social posts for plumbers. Ship it. Get paying feedback. Perfectionism kills profit. Step 3. Use AI to speed up work. Writing, design, research. Your job is to direct the AI. Test a few tools, master a handful. They become your new employees. Step 4. Automate routines. Emails, invoices, social scheduling. Use Zapier and Make. Buy back your time. Step 5. Scale smartly. Start small ads. Partner with one creator. Double down on what works. Let us talk about the money. The path to $1 million is not a giant leap. It is small wins that compound. The math is simpler than you think. You do not need millions of customers, just real value for a focused audience. Solve a significant problem. People pay. AI efficiency turns revenue into strong profit margins. Create a high-quality digital product, a designer kit or specialized AI prompts, priced at $50. At 3 to 4 sales per day, that is 100 units, $5,000 per month. Digital delivery costs are near zero. Most is profit. $60,000 a year before scaling, or a service at $500 per month. Newsletters, shorts, lead gen. AI makes content. Automation delivers. One person can manage 12 clients comfortably. $6,000 monthly, $72,000 yearly. Refine processes, maybe 20 clients, into 6 figures with fewer hours than a 9 to 5. To reach 7 figures, increase ad spend, add premium products or tiers, license your process, or sell a $2,000 course to 500 people. 1 million revenue. With automation and brand, a solopreneur can manage that scale. Build a solid foundation, then grow intelligently. This journey is exciting, but it is not without its traps. Many get blinded by potential and ignore real risks. AI is powerful but not infallible. It can produce generic, inaccurate, or wrong content. If you copy-paste blindly, customers notice. Be the human in the loop. Review, edit, and add your unique perspective. Trust is your brand. Low quality erodes it instantly. Do not rely on a single platform. Algorithms change. Accounts get suspended. Build an email list from day one. Drive traffic to your site and capture emails. No algorithm can take it. Use reputable tools with clear commercial terms. Keep prompt and tool records. Favor original work. Burnout is real. Leverage automation and outsource time sinks. Hire a VA a few hours a week. Trust your systems. Set boundaries. Build a business that serves your life. A year from now, your life could be completely different with a clear, actionable plan. This is a practical roadmap. Maintain momentum. Focus on the right activities at the right time. Months 1 and 2. Choose your niche. Talk to customers. Understand their #1 pain point. Build a simple MVP and a 1-page site explaining what you sell and who it is for. Launch now. Post in communities. Email your network. Run a small ad test. Seek feedback and testimonials. Your goal is not riches yet. It is validation and learning. Improve your product. Make it better, more valuable, and easier to use. Automate onboarding, content, and support. Every hour saved fuels growth. Income should become more consistent and predictable. Scale working campaigns. Focus on top channels. Partner with creators, and set up affiliates. We have covered the opportunity, examples, blueprint, money, risks, and the 1-year plan. Right now, in 2025, the playing field is more level than ever. The tools exist. The cost is low. One determined person can build a massive business. Winners start. You do not need permission or more information. You need action. Start small. Keep your job. Avoid debt. Test quickly and cheaply. Watch what gets a reaction. The biggest mistake is waiting for the perfect idea, more time, or better tools. The gold rush is happening now. Move fast, learn by doing, and adapt. This is a game of at-bats. The more you swing, the higher your odds of a home run. One final call to action. Right now. Today. Do 3 things. Pick one problem, write 1-sentence offer, open a free AI tool. That is your first step. Do not chase the million. Make your first dollar. Launch within 30 days. The game is on. The tools are in your hands. Your future is waiting. Start today.